So yesterday we learned about carbon credits, and you must be thinking, does carbon credit means we get the license to pollute? Well, yes and no. Hi everyone, and welcome to day 65 of 100 days and 100 ways of minding your planet. And these are the terminologies that you need to look out if your brand is promoting them or not. So let's talk about net zero versus carbon neutral. Net zero basically means that the brand is doing whatever they can to actually reduce their emissions on their own, and whatever they can't, like whatever little bit that they can't, that part they can use carbon credits, which is great. But if somebody says this is carbon neutral, that does not necessarily mean that this brand has done its best efforts to actually reduce emissions as much as they can or as much as possible. Carbon neutral can also mean that they've emitted whatever they had to, and then they just purchased carbon credits in order to kind of net it out a little bit. So that's the difference between net zero and carbon neutral. So essentially, carbon neutral basically means saying I ate a piece of cake and I went for a walk afterwards, whereas net zero means I didn't eat the cake. ঠিক আছে?